Hello guys, so I just received my Lenovo IdeaPad S340 from Amazon. I got it from the Amazon sale, that is the, what do we say, the great sale that happens every year in September. Okay, so let's just unbox this. Just give me some time so that I can open it up. Guys, just let's take it out. This is the box. Okay, nice box, I guess. So this is it. Okay, the seal is there. Yeah, it is not opened. Cool. Okay. Sorry. So this is it, I guess. This away. Yeah. Here's the main deal. This is it. Let's see what is all there inside. I guess there's nothing but the only there is this charger. Right. We have got only the charger here. So I don't think so. It is a Type C. No, it's not a Type C charger. It is just a normal round pin charger. Okay. It's a 65-watt charger. Okay. So, and what is this? Okay, yeah. So this device comes with Windows 10 Home, right? And also with the, how do you say, Microsoft Office 2019. Both the things are registered. We will also check those out. Oh yeah. And yeah, by the way, this is the 14-inch version and not the 15-inch version. Just make it clear. So yeah, the actual cost right now on Amazon is for this laptop is something around 53,000. I got it around for how much? 50,000. So this is it. Yeah, let's power it on. Yeah, so the body is all metal. Yeah, and feels really good. Okay. Guess it is not having some juice in there, so we'll have to put it on charging. Okay, just a minute. Oh yeah guys, I've plugged in the charger. Let's see if it boots up now. Okay, I guess it is booting up. Light is just blinking. I don't know what yet. So it will just start now. So Lenovo it is, right? So it comes with the 8 GB of RAM, 4 of which is soldered on the motherboard itself. It has Intel Core i5, which is 8625U processor. Okay. And yeah, it is having this central hinge sort of a thing.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
So the Cortana
A
is
little
up.
sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Okay, so
Use your
I'll
voice or the
just
keyboard along the way, and if
configure
you'd
this.
like me to
Okay,
stay
yeah.
quiet, just select.
Okay, so here we can see that we are having a Core i5 processor along with 8 gigs of internal RAM, and the operating system we can see here is 64-bit operating system. Okay, so that is it for the configuration of this laptop, that is Lenovo S340. So if you have any suggestions or recommendations, please comment on the same video. Thank you. Thank you so much.